Good morning. I'm Captain Harcourt Hinkson, Facilities Manager of the Emergency Medical Team with the Barbados Defence Force. We are here on the ground at Savannah Lamar to bring much needed relief and help to the people of Jamaica after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. We must extend our sincere thanks and gratitude to the Jamaican Defence Force for really plugging in and assisting us tremendously in getting us this far. To date, we already have our facilities accommodation 90% established. We're looking to have that completed by the end of the course of the day today. And we are currently erecting the main structure of the hospital facility. We expected to have a lot of that done by the end of play today and start to populate to bring the much needed relief that we are here to offer to the Jamaican people.
Hi guys, my name is Dante Harvey. For the deployment, I would be in the area of the kitchen performing duties as a cook. The role of the cook in this deployment is to provide meals for the staff and the patients of the hospital to ensure that everyone is well fed and watered well on base. The experience this far, it has been a little challenging bearing the circumstances, but we are all pulling through. So today we're basically finishing setting up the kitchen and the mess hall. So we're going to install the gas bottles, the water pipes today so that we can start the process of preparing the meals for the workers and the persons in the hospital once the hospital is completely being set up.